All right, well, the fan's running. Got a match here to show the... Oh, I don't have to go out yet. It blows pretty hard way out. I mean, it's a good foot out. It still wants to blow the match out. So, anyway. So, this is what it looks like. On the back side here, you'll see the fan running and the cover fan inside. I haven't put the final bolts in here yet. You also see this this line here. This is from the ignition switch for the ignition. This lead is for the lighting in the dash, the clock in the dash, and this I've got hooked up here. And this fan will be controlled via the dash. Be powered by the 12-volt starter battery in the car. And that's a good look. I'm pleased with that. There'll be a minor edit to that. But this is the next to the last, the penultimate, right? Design or edit that's happening. And for the most part, it's finished. What's really happening now is the last edit. But for the most part, this is it right here, the next to the last edit. I'll show you the last in a second. Here's the cover with one of the fans inside. These are the vent panels, driver and passenger side. And we've got the flange on there and just kind of sits on there nice and clean. And something like that. Clean, I like it. So that's about done. The last edit happening in the next couple of days, will be done by this weekend, is we're hulling, kind of cutting this out or hollowing it out rather. And this will be resting inside this. This is the rectifier circuit. This is what converts AC to DC, the current change, conversion rather. And what I'm doing is connecting the DC charge produced, and I'm going to run it straight to, as it's producing a 12-volt, 1 amp charge coming out of this, and I'm hooking that directly into the radiator fan, so that when the engine's running, it produces the charge to run the radiator. So that will be the next video, next couple of days, hopefully, sometime this weekend. But for now, I just wanted to show this final one with respect to the dash. In here, you'll see here, there's a small little button here. You press it, and it should turn on. There it is. It turns on the dash Bluetooth speaker. There we are. So the dash is set up now. You have 3 control knobs here. Radiator, I apologize. This is for the vent system, the air, right? This will be for the dash lights. And this one will be for the front lights. All right. The interior dome light is controlled by opening and closing of the doors, so that has nothing to do with up here. But as far as the clock and the dash, that's here, these lights. Again, front lights, in terms of turning them on, they're operated, they flip up and down via the remote, but in terms of turning the lights on themselves, I have to set up so you can turn them on from inside the car. And then of course here, the fan to blow the air. And then again here, inside here is how you turn the Bluetooth speaker on. So the next time you see this, we should be with everything kind of put in place, doors and functioning and painted. Looking forward to it. So stay tuned, more later. Thanks.